cutie bee, cutie go.
Some search high, the others search low.
Where did he roam? Where did he roam?
Gotta bring a little engine home.
So they all went out to
Look around, far and wide, and up and down.
no matter where they searched, no one seemed to know. Where did the little old engine go?
Thomas finally tracked him down. He was cold and blue and all alone.
Told him he was needed back urgently.
Who, me? Really? Yes, you silly engine.
'Cause he's the pride of the railway. So he huffed and he puffed, his wheels started turning. He chuffed and he chuffed, his little firebox burning. He slipped his brake and he was on his way.